Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a very vintage Homelite chainsaw. This is a XP 1000. This one was made in 1965. It's a 100cc motor. The power head on this weighs 19.5 pounds. This saw is capable of running up to a 36-inch bar. And this one features a 36-inch Oregon sprocket nose bar with a 404 chain. And we'll just get up close here if you're going to take a look and show you some features on this saw. It's got the fully adjustable carburetor, high and low speed. Right here's where you adjust your idle. We'll zoom in on that. You can see that little screw right there. Right there. That just comes up against the linkage on the back of the carburetor, and that brings up your idle. Has a manual oiler, choke right here, kill switch. Does have a throttle lock right here, and you squeeze the trigger, and you throttle lock it right there. It gives you high idle. Turn this thing around, take a look at it. Got the very large falling spike, which is real popular on these big saws. It's a very big falling spike. It's got that popular wrap handlebar, and that's all original. One thing I found unique on this one is the clutch cover is in good shape, and it actually comes around and wraps around that muffler. Get it over here where you can see it. It actually wraps, this is magnesium, and it wraps around here, and most of these got broke off. This one's still in good shape. Just the way we found it in the barn, and it's just a good running old chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.